Okay. Welcome to the di-blk cooking show today. We gonna cook some chicken today, and I got my two favorite guests here. We call her. That's like where I'm trying to get the finger thing right. That right there. That's light skin. That's light skin Keisha. And this nigga over here. This is right here the epitome of dark skinned niggas in the hood. Not more chestnut dark skinned niggas. I'm talking about what's that nigga name that got caught cheating on his wife, doing all of the relationship talk. That's this nigga right here. This is my guy right here. Every time I'm cooking, they pull up to the show. So today, what we're making, you want to see? Hold on, let's turn this over. Bam! I found chicken wings, nigga. You niggas what? Niggas, chicken wings like $20 right now down here, nigga. Like, you can't even go to Wingstop and get chicken wings. They selling thighs, nigga. I got wing. I hope this shit ain't cat. But, in there we got, mustard. New thing I've been trying. Seasonings, cumin, paprika, sazon, clean with salt, vinegar, wash and clean with salt, vinegar, and lemon juice. Then we let it sit overnight and marinate. And what I'm doing today is trying to teach people how to cook food in good spirits instead of rushing and cooking the meat and then the meat halfway uncooked and shit like that, and then now your ass sick and shit. Or you ever got sick from eating a person food because they had ill intent while they was cooking? It's another thing. So we're going to be very happy while we cook this. You see that? I don't know. I ain't eat that. That's not mine. Oh yeah, that's that olive oil. Let me point this out to people. Olive oil. This is a good thing to help saturate certain meats with seasoning and give a good crisp taste and feel. Shout out my guest today. Let me get a round of applause. All right, fuck you niggas too. Oh yeah, we got the push iced on no kufi right now. So you know what I mean? No kufi right now. We got that. See that right boiling. That right boiling real quick. I like to cook the rice first. Make sure the rice good and tender. Then we got the oil over here real quick. See the oil here, the fresh. That shit ain't brown and shit like niggas be using last week oil. I know bitch you was using oil from 3 weeks ago. That tastes like you done made chicken, fish, and calamari with. Got a nigga over here eating fried fish chicken. Then we gonna make a little bit of kettle corn. I want to ask people too about their references on canned goods. Cause I get a lot of people I don't eat canned food because ain't no nutrients in it. But then I be thinking like, how you say that and then canned food survives a very long time in preservation. So if you was to be fucked up and eat this bitch 13, 20 years later, your ass will still be alive. I know niggas don't eat shit when they hungry and be like, I ain't eat no canned good. Stay tuned. I'll be back when the chicken is done. Okay, yeah, I had to take off a couple things. Shit started getting hot in the kitchen, but I wanted to show y'all. How you do that? My chicken wings. Oh, you see my guest still here. Look it up. Check him out. Bam. Ooh, baby, look at them thing crispy. Them thing crispy and shiny. You see that gloss on it? That because a nigga hit it with the honey. But simple thing for the day to feed me and the family. With a little bit of corn. Some rice. Yeah, I did that myself, ladies. Yeah, but not cook. You better get with it, nigga not a cook. Like I said, I clean my meat off good, girl. My shit good. Oh, them shits looking like Grips chickens out this motherfucker in Atlanta, nigga. Niggas ain't never seen none. That's them lemon pepper steppers right there. With my son Shaky, that's them lemon pepper steppers right there, nigga. Stay tuned for the next one. Welcome to the Street Style Entrepreneurs. Subscribe to my YouTube. This is me, nigga. Let me talk to him.